Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox Safety Topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me that thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and co-workers. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the safety topic. In light of this week's National Fall Prevention Stand Down by OSHA, we'll be talking about falls in construction. I found this little safety topic in the Raken app. It's pretty good and I'd like to share it with you. Falls from heights is one of the leading causes of injuries and fatalities in the workplace and at home. In the construction industry, they are the leading cause of fatalities. Now, falls accounted for 370 out of the 991 total deaths in construction in the year 2016. The standards set by OSHA for protecting workers from falls in the construction industry are some of the most commonly violated standards in the workplace. More work needs to be done by employers to ensure workers are protected while working at heights. Let's talk about fall prevention through plan, provide, and train. OSHA uses a plan, provide, and train model in its fall prevention campaign that is a straightforward way to prevent falls in the workplace. Number 1, plan. Plan tasks ahead of time. Planning work tasks is especially important for high hazard tasks such as working at heights. First, look at eliminating any work at heights if possible. If elimination is not possible, then plan what you will need for performing the work at heights. Plan out what equipment, tools, personnel, and materials you will need. After looking at these items, look at what safety equipment, PPE, and training will be needed to complete the task safely. And number 2, provide. Provide all necessary safety equipment and PPE when the height of the work exceeds 6 foot and engineering controls such as guardrails are not in place. Outside of equipment and PPE, provide the employees with the proper amount of time it takes to set up the job as well as complete the work. And number 3, train. Properly train employees to not only know how to use safety equipment that is provided, but also in hazard recognition. It is important that employees are able to recognize hazards and understand how to address the hazards before starting or continuing work. Train employees to first think about how to eliminate dangerous work tasks or the hazards that accompany working at heights. In summary, compliance with OSHA standards should only be the start of working at heights safely. Following a well thought out plan, providing all the necessary resources and training, employees can help prevent injuries and fatalities due to falls. And here's a couple discussion points. What are some of the work tasks that put us at risk for falls? And what are the ways we can eliminate hazards during our work tasks that requires working at heights? Alright boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox Safety Topic video. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me that thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you found this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and co-workers. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number 1. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. And have a grateful day. And I will see you in the field. Yep. The National Safety Shutdown by Stand Down by OSHA, where companies and teams all across the country are taking the time out to specifically talk about falls in the workplace. Make sure if you're going to be working from heights that you sit down with your team or stand with your team and decide who's going to do the work, what equipment is required, and what training may be required to perform that work. Anyway, remember that these little toolbox topics can be used for training for your team on your job site and for your company. I've got several hundred out there. Other people make them. Pick a topic that's relevant to the work that you're performing. Have a sign-in sheet and list the video you'll be watching. You and your team watch the video, have some discussion, and then have your team sign off on the sign-in sheet indicating that they attended the training. And that becomes a document that you can provide to OSHA to prove that you do continuing education on hazard recognition and hazard mitigation. Also, if you have a specific safety question, just leave it in the notes and I'll get to it as quickly as I can and help you out with that and give you some information on where to find it in the standard. And if you have a specific video you'd like to see, let me know that too, and I'll put one together for you and your team. Anyway, I think that's it. I may leave one or two of them Easter eggs at the end. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. Stop recording.